Suicide is now the leading cause of death for children ages 10 to 14.
When kids head back to school this September, they will be bringing with them more emotional and physical baggage than ever before. From mental health issues to poverty and abuse, a new report details shocking statistics on how the pandemic has affected our children. Sarah Austin says the health and well-being of Canadian children has been on the decline for years. The pandemic has only exacerbated the issues. According to the Raising Canada 2020 report, 57% of teens aged 15 to 17 reported their mental health is somewhat or much worse than before the pandemic. Less than 5% of children and under 1% of youth are meeting the physical activity benchmark. 15% of Canadian households indicated food insecurity in the past 30 days, which is nearly double years past. And the Kids Help Phone has reported an increase in conversations about physical, sexual, and emotional abuse.
We're anticipating a spike in reports of child abuse because now kids will be seen by trusted adults, and there's an opportunity to take action, but it also means there's going to be a huge demand for support.
And that has Children First Canada calling on the federal government to put children first in their economic recovery plans, as treating these traumas early will make a big difference down the road.
We know, for instance, that things like poverty and abuse cause toxic stress for children that impacts their brain development, and that will make them much more likely to experience chronic health issues like depression, anxiety, addictions, heart disease, other issues like that well into adulthood.
As for parents worried about their kids, Austin says creating stability at home is very important as they head back to school.
Important that we be checking in with our children and watching for changes of behavior. If we're seeing that our children are more withdrawn or more anxious, struggling with sleeping, changes in routine are disruptive for children even at the best of times. But right now, even more so when they're facing so much uncertainty.
In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.